Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary. Good to see you.
Good morning. Happy New Year.
Yes, it is a happy, or it's getting ready to be Happy New Year.
Yes.
We'll talk about that in
Get
just
rid of this last one.
we'll talk about that in just a second, right? Viewer question, Gary. Let's pull it up on the screen. My boyfriend was recently charged with drunk driving while he was driving my car. I was in the car. Can I be held liable in any way, and can it affect my insurance?
Yeah. So they didn't say whether there was a collision or a wreck or some event that happened. If you're just stopped and he's arrested, then I can't imagine how you being the owner of the car, would be responsible for that. So you weren't committing a crime. The crime is operating a vehicle under the influence. So if you're sitting there in the car, you're not going to be responsible for it. And if there was no event, then I don't see why your insurance would be involved. Now, if there was an event, he hit somebody, yeah, that changes the deal. You can be responsible for negligently entrusting your vehicle to someone you know is impaired. So you don't give your keys to somebody who's drunk, so you don't set them up to overserve them either. It's the same kind of idea. If you're on notice or know some dangerous event can happen because you hand somebody the keys, then you can have responsibility. And then, yes, I think it can impact you because a lawsuit could be filed against both the person who causes the wreck and the person who negligently entrusted their vehicle to that person. So it's tough to prove, but in this kind of situation, sometimes not so tough to prove.
Yeah, very good and very interesting and good to know. Now, we're coming up, as we mentioned briefly at the beginning, we're coming up on New Year's Eve. Any thoughts, suggestions for our viewers out there?
I think we're all ready to see the end of 2020, right?
Yes, we are.
I don't know that I don't want to be doing this all through 2021.
Right.
But the law hasn't changed. Be careful. I don't know what's going to be going on with celebrations. I would assume that we're going to be a little more reserved and less people out. And I don't know, but don't go out. And, don't drink and drive. There's no excuse for it anymore. There are plenty of options and alternatives, and just plan ahead. And let's keep Columbus, Phoenix City, and our whole area here safe. And let's have a happy New Year and enjoy. I guess we have football games this weekend.
Yes, we do. Yes.
We can enjoy all that.
We sure can. Thank you so very much, Gary. Happy New Year to all the viewers. Happy New Year to you, Gary. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.
Thank you.